Hello guys, this video will show you how you can use select and link tool to quickly rig up mechanical things. So it's very simple guys here. You got a cylinder, this represents some kind of joint. We got a box, this represents some sort of limb. And then we can create another one here. And then actually let's create both of these again. Alright. So you click on this little tool right here, you go from child to parent. So what is control to what is controlling? Left click and hold, let go. Left click and hold, let go. Left click and hold, let go. Alright, select this first one, press N to enter auto key mode. You see it's red here. Go to frame 10, rotate. Then select this one, press K to set up a key right here. Go to another frame here. I don't think I went to frame 10, I went to onto something else here. And then rotate some more. Activate angle snap if you want to constrain to certain angles. So, press N, turn off auto key. You now have animation. You can use this, guys, for example, if you have an object that needs to be opened up so you can model on the inside, you can use it for that. Like a helmet, for example, you can model the outside and the inside will open up and you can model the inside. So a lot of times, guys, you want to have some animation here to test out how things will animate or to have something be easier to model. Alright, let's create something more advanced. That's the basic setup here. By the way, you can also unlink right here. Now it won't be doing that anymore. It will still be spinning. You can still see the cylinder spinning, but they're not linked. To get rid of animation, you can just press Ctrl A, kind of hover over this, select over that, and then just press your delete button, which I've got set to X. Alright, let's create something more complex with this. Alright. I'll just quickly boolean this together. Alright. If you guys are enjoying this video, be sure to check out the description where I have links to more advanced courses such as on sci-fi design, futuristic vehicles, furniture, and more comprehensive advanced courses. Alright. I'm going to instance, which means if I change one object, it will change others. Alright, I'm just modeling something kind of basic here. Here what I would do is I'll hold Control Convert to Vertex, S for snaps, Alt D for axis constraints, and then kind of snap it to make it even here. Let's use data channel. I'm just making it look a little bit pretty at this point. Just trying to add a little bit of flourish, but it's okay. Alright, so we got this, guys. Alright. So now just go ahead and link. See, this to this. This to this. This to that. I may have missed a few already, but it's okay. We'll find out soon enough. Alright, we'll select that, N. So this will rotate like this. All right. You can also press page up and page down to move down or up the hierarchy. Now this, guys, I'm going to rotate how it switches to local. And I can rotate on the z-axis to get this kind of rotation happening here, see? Let's press K. Page down. K. Okay. Page down. K. 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 You can almost turn into a song at this point. Page down. K. 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 All right, guys, let's see what we got happening here. What? All right, looks a little bit creepy. Looks like a mechanical centipede. But as you guys can see, I mean, if you want to do animation, you have to be a little bit more careful with this. But you guys can see that at least you can pose and create very complicated mechanical creations and structures. So like maybe you make a mechanical spine, you're making a mechanical creature, so you make like a cool spine for it, mechanical centipede, mechanical snake, some sort of sci-fi hose or tube, maybe a real life hose and tube, maybe like a real life segmented piece. Well, now you guys know how to do that with some complexity. You guys can see that as long as you just model one thing and spend some time on it, once you duplicate and rotate it, you get a really cool looking structure. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.